Hey, what's up guys? I'm Afro from bloggingmaker.com. Welcome to my Curation Cloud review. If you don't have time to write articles for your blog but you want to monetize your blog, you want to earn some extra money from your website, then this software is for you. In a nutshell, this is a cloud-based software which legally steal others' content and publish all these contents on your blog on autopilot. So you just need to put your keywords and put some additional information. That's all. Post will be automatically added to your website and it's work for all the niches. So if you find it interesting, then please stick with me in this video because I'm going to walk through you all the features of this software. As you can see, I am here at the dashboard section, so I'm going to walk through you all the features and reveal my bonuses which I pick for you only. Okay, so let's start the demo and after that we will go to the bonuses section to see the bonuses. Okay, so as you can see here, we are at the dashboard. So basically this is the statistics of your website of your software. So here you can see how many blogs you added, how many social accounts you added to the software, how many blog posts you have on your website. Okay, so in this section here you can see content, autopilots, social accounts, blog, calendar, tutorial, RSS feed. So you have to go to this tutorial section to see all the tutorials about this software. Okay, so there is so many valuable tutorials here. You can go through it after login to this software. Okay, after that you have to go to this blog section to add your own blog. Okay, so add your own website. So I will show you how you can add your own blog here. So you have to click on this create blog section. You have to give this name here, so you can give any kind of name for your blog. So I just name my blog channel. Okay, so you have to put your URL here with HTTPS. Okay, so I just put my https.com. Okay, so here you can see I am add my WordPress URL. After that I have to give my username, so which username I use to log in my WordPress site. Okay, so I have to put my URL here. I just put my username and after that here you can see application password. So in this section you have to go to your website background, so which is this is the background of my website. So you have to go to here on your website and go to plugin section and go to add new plugin and you have to search for application password. So this plugin will be create an unique password for application to authenticate user without revealing their main password. So you don't have to reveal your own password, you don't have to put your own password here. This plugin will curate an unique password which you can share to this software. Okay, so I just activated it. Here you can see I activated it already. So after that, after activation, you have to go to user section and go to profile section. Okay, so in this profile section here you can see, I'll show you. Here you can see application password. So you have to put your any kind of WordPress app name. Okay, so this is the name, not the password. So this is the name which you can put for your identification. Okay, so after putting this name you have to click on add application password. So this is the password. Here you can see this is the password. So you have to copy this password. You have to copy this password before dismissing it, because if you dismiss this pop-up, you don't have any access for this password again. So you have to copy this one and I am put it here. Okay, so I am put it here. After that you have to click on create. So my website will be added here. So I didn't add it because it is a demo account, so everyone have access of this account, so I didn't add it. Okay, so after that you have to go to this social account section to add your social accounts. So it's very simple. You have to click on this add social account button to add your social accounts. Here you can see this is the social accounts look like. Okay, after that you have to go to this content section to add the contents. Here is the main function of this software. Okay, so here you can see available content. So you need to click a keyword, any kind of keyword whichever your niche is, you need to put it here. Okay, so I just put like social media marketing. Okay, I just put social media marketing. you have to put the dates. So what is the dates you want? So like 7 days before, the last 7 days whichever post is posting on this keyword will be showing here. Okay, this is the date. So you can date the as popularity, you can create the source. So you can create any kind of source here. Here is the RSS feed. I'll show you how you can add these options, how you can add the source here. As you can see there, Blogger Passion, Bloglingo, Daily Blog Tips, Pro Blogger. So all those RSS feeds are added. So you have to go to here for add your RSS feeds. Okay, I will show you later. So you can select any kind of option, or you can select nothing. Okay, after that you can add the minimum word count. So I just want to 2000 word content. Okay, so you can add your required image here. I don't want to add any kind of required image, and after that I just click on search. So this software will show me in last 24 hours how many social media marketing related niche post will be here. So as you can see, can social media marketing helps grow your adventure guiding business. So you can post it on, after clicking on this, you can post it on your blog, on your website directly. So here you can see the words count. You can see the content here. Okay, here you can see last 23 hours ago this post will be published. So you can create more dates. I just put it 7 days. As you can see, last 7 days this post will be published, like junglecourt.com. So this is the actual website. Okay, as you can see, this is the passwords of this post. Okay, so you need to click on this post here, and this post will be automatically added to your website. You can change the title, you can change the content here, you can click your own link, you can add your own link, and you can monetize this post also. I'll show you how. So you can add your social accounts here. So there is only one social media accounts is added. So you can add your own social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. Okay, you can post this blog on your social media accounts too. Okay, so after that you need to click on publish button to publish this post on various social media platform and your website also. Okay, this is the function. And here you can see the auto poster. Auto poster is the new feature of Curation Cloud, which is very easy and very effective. You just need to select some terms. Here you can see like I just put it here also, social media marketing. Okay, I just put a name here, terms, and I select the blog, my blog. I didn't add any blog. So you can add your blog here. Okay, after that you can add your words count. Okay, and here you can see post per date. You can select the post, how many posts you want to publish on this keyword. So you can select maximum, I don't know how many. Okay, 1000. So you can post 1000 post, or there is no limit. Okay, so you can post it like 5 or 10, whatever you want. Okay, after that you can schedule the post here. You can schedule it, you can add your required image. Okay, so this is it. This is it. Actually very simple, very simple it is. Okay, so you have to click on save, and this post, this keyword and the post will be automatically posted on your website. You don't need to do anything. Okay, after that here you can see the RSS feed. Here you can add your various sources. So like I'll show you here, some RSS feed is already added. Here you can see already added. So you can add your RSS feed here. You have to give a name, the blog, like blog. Okay, any kind of name here, and you have to put the RSS feed of this website, whichever you want to collect from. Okay, next one is interval in minutes. So you can update their post in various intervals. As you can see, you can update it on 60 minute, 30 minute, 40 minute, whichever you want. Okay, So this is it guide, very simple and very effective. Okay, so let's go to see the bonuses first. Okay, so this is the bonus page which I create for you. You can find this bonus page link in the description. So the first link will be this bonus page link. Okay, so here you can see the bonuses. My first bonus is Easy Deliver Pro. Next one is SEO Masterclass. So this training will be help you to rank your website. Okay, next one is List Building Tips. After that, getting started with email marketing. Next one is a for affiliate. So how you can do your affiliate marketing business, how you can start your affiliate marketing business. This program will be help you to that. Okay, next one is affiliate file extinguisher. Next one is affiliate cash monster. After that, affiliate launch profits. Next one is article site builder. After that, easy traffic videos. Next one is product creation, commission strength. After that, mobile two-step opt-in generator. So this is a plugin you can generate a two-step opt-in for your blog post. Okay, so these are the all bonuses, and you have to click on these buttons. Click here to secure your bonuses and copy. You have to click on these buttons to redirect it to the sales page. But before that, after you buying this software, you are redirected to this sales page, this thank you page of Warrior Plus. So you need to click on this blue button to get all the bonuses, all of these bonuses. Okay, you need to click on these blue buttons. Okay, only click on this blue button. Okay, so you have to click on these buttons, any of these buttons, to redirect it to the sales page. So the sales page is look like this. Okay, you can see that stop paying for ads, get instant traffic with our exclusive content system used daily by over 2000 people, legally steal content. So you can legally steal others content here. Okay, so here you can see this is the sales page. Okay, you get all the vendor bonuses also. I'll show you the vendor bonuses. Okay, this is the information about this software. Okay, so here you can see income bots, the first bonus. Next one is insta passive. After that, rapid ads. So these are the bonuses from vendor. You need to click on these blue buttons, then yellow buttons. You need to click on these yellow buttons to get all the bonuses and Curation Cloud. Okay, so let's go to see the prices of this software. So the front end price is only $27, only $27. If you pick only front end, you get all of my bonuses also. Okay, so here you can see the features of Curation Cloud front end. Here you can see Curation Cloud content finder, calendar, unlimited scheduling, up to 33 social profiles. So with the front end, you can add 3 social profiles of yours. Next one is up to 3 blog or website, so you can add 3 blog posts for front end. Next one is auto poster, 1 post per day, so you can add 1 post per day with auto poster. After that, post preview, automatic citation, unlimited backlinks. Next one is OTO1, which is Curation Cloud monetizations. So you can monetize your website on or your blog automatically. This will show you in the tutorial section. In the tutorial section, you will find this video. Okay, I'll show you. Here you can see monetization upgrade. So you have to go to here and see the monetization upgrade. Okay, so let's get to see the next one, which is Curation Cloud Pro, which is $47, which Curation Cloud Pro supercharges the platform and allows unlimited blog, website and social profits. You can also have up to 5 auto posts per day on as many blogs, website as you need. Okay, next one is done for you niches, which is $37 only. With these upgrades, the users can instantly go in and create a blog on any niche topics and populate it with content in that chosen niche. Okay, next one is Curation Cloud reseller license, which is $97, so you can resell this software and get 100% profit on your own. Next one is done for you starter site, so your own online business you can add, which price is only $497, sorry. So you can see the features. So here you can see 14 days of money back guarantee also. So you can try it for 14 days. If you find this software is not working as you think, then you can return it and get 100% back. Okay, so you will find the link of this bonus page in the description. The first link will be this bonus page link. Okay, so you have to this link and click on these buttons, any of these buttons. Here you can see any of these blue buttons to directly to the sales page. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope you understand what is Curation Cloud software is, and if you find it interesting, then please hit the like button, go to the comment section and comment your thoughts about this software. If you find any questions or any confusion, please put it on the comment. I will answer it as soon as possible. Okay, so please hit the subscribe button for another videos like this, and thank you guys. Bye bye.